3, 2, 1.
We've all used these old school tire gauges since the 1800s. It's the 21st century, people. There's gotta be a better way. Introducing Tech's new digital tire inflator. With the simple touch of a trigger, this inflator offers precise one-touch operation. Just inflate to the desired pressure using these simple controls and oversized, easy-to-read display. Then all you need to do is attach the chuck to the tire valve and pull the trigger. The auto-on feature begins pumping air through the inflator as soon as it detects a change in air pressure. Once you see the display hit the desired air pressure, simply release the trigger, and that's it! Precise, one-handed tire inflation with just the touch of a trigger. This inflator offers up to 80 hours of use thanks to a handy auto-off feature that turns the unit off after 90 seconds of inactivity. It features a durable exterior made of die-cast aluminum housed inside an impact-resistant bumper, and this wire sheath prevents the hose from getting kinked. But wait, there's more! The multi-scale gauge can be set to read PSI, bar, KPA, and KGF with a maximum inflation of 174 PSI. Act now! If you buy within the next 30 seconds, we'll include 2 AAA batteries. So the batteries are already included. I get caught up in the moment. For more information on these and other Tech products, visit techtireRepairs.com. Thanks for watching. Like our videos, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a thing. See you next time.